Anytime you make a big important decision in your life, you want to spend some time thinking about it, perhaps praying about it. However, at some point you do have to act or you're going to miss that opportunity. Well, as traders, we have to understand that action becomes very important. Many times there are going to be terrific opportunities that present themselves. The question that you'll have to answer at that time, am I going to act on the information that I have? So you've received all this knowledge. Now, how do you take it to the next level? That requires action. As you go through this process of learning more and more about trading and how everything works, you often can feel overwhelmed with everything that you're learning. Then you get to a specific trade, everything looks good, but you start to overanalyze everything. You wonder, did I get this big checklist that's like a mile long? And really what I want to do right now is to help you understand that you get to a certain point and you really want to simplify the process. So here's how we do it at TRADEway. You're going to start with market tone. You understand what the market's doing. You would like to then see individual stocks that have patterns that line up with the overall movement of the market. Once you find a stock that's at a good buy point that lines up with the market tone, you have the 3 legs that you need for the trading table. So go into your broker, push those buttons and get into that trade.